Hi everyone, myself Anamika, Students Department of Multimedia from E-Content Development Center, Majlis Arts and Science College, Valancheri. Here I am going to discuss about peripheral of computer. A computer can do amazing things, but they are really very simple machines made up of software and hardware. Peripheral means components or device attached to the computer, or a computer peripheral is any external device that provided input and output for the computer. Peripheral of a computer can be divided into input device and output device. Next we have discussing about input device. An input device is essentially a piece of hardware that sends data to a computer. Most input devices either interact with or control the computer in some way. Next we have discussing about keyboard. A computer keyboard is a typed style which uses for putting information including letters, words and numbers into your computer. Most English language keyboards use the quadrille layout for the alphabetic keys, which are surrounded by number, symbol, function and other key types. By pressing the relevant keys, a user can feed data and instruction to the computer. Next one, mouse. A computer mouse is a handheld pointing device and input device with all desktop computers that moves the mouse pointer on the screen. A mouse interacts with a computer through a process known as point and click. Most modern computer mouse have two buttons for clicking and a wheel in the middle for scrolling up and down documents and web pages. Next one, touchpad, also known as trackpad. A touchpad is a common substitute for a computer mouse. It is essentially a specialized surface that can detect the movement of a user's finger and use that information to direct a pointer and control a computer. Touchpads were introduced for laptops. Next we have discussing about scanner. Scanner is an input device that uses optical technology to transfer image or something text into a computer, where the signal is converted into a digital image. The digital image can then be viewed on a monitor, screen, saved, edited, emailed or printed. Digital camera. Digital camera are used to capture photographs and videos independently. Later, these photos and video file can be transferred to a computer. Once the photos are on the computer, they can be saved, edited, emailed or printed. Next one, microphone. A microphone capture audio and send it to a computer where it is converted to a digital format. Once the audio has been digitized, it can be played back, copied, edited, uploaded or emailed. Microphones can also be used to record audio or to relay sounds live as a part of a video chat or audio stream. Joystick. Joystick are commonly used to control characters and vehicles in a computer video game. A joystick is a handle that pivots on a base and sends its angle or direction to the computer as data. Many video gaming joysticks feature triggers and buttons that can be pressed to use weapons or projectile is in a game. Webcam. Webcam are different from digital camera in two ways. Firstly, they cannot operate independently from a computer, and second, they have no inbuilt memory. Although webcams can capture photographs and videos, they are more often used to live stream videos or facilitate video chat. Next we have discussing about output device. An output device is any hardware equipment to display, project or physically reproduce the results of data processed by computer. The main difference between an input and output device is that the input device transfers data to the computer, whereas the output device receives data from the computer. First one, monitor. A monitor is an electronic output device that is also known as a video display terminal VDT or a video display unit VDU. It is used to display images, text, video and graphic information generated by a connected computer. Two types of monitor screens: cathode ray tube monitor CRT and flat panel screen monitor. Second one, printer. Printer is a device that accepts text and graphics output from a computer and transfer to information to paper, usually to standard size sheets of paper. Printers varies in size, speed and cost. Last point, speakers and earphones. Speakers are one of the most common output device used with computer systems. Purpose of speakers is to produce audio output that can be heard by the listener. Speakers are transducers that converted electromagnetic waves into sound waves. Hope you understand my section. Thank you.